Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete your WeChat account permanently and delete all your data in WeChat database. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WeChat account. Then after you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on me right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to account security. The next thing you need to do is to go to WeChat Security Center. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on safety tool. Under the safety tools, come down below right here and click on account cancellation. Once you click on account cancellation, follow the prompt and delete your WeChat account permanently. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply delete your WeChat account permanently without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorials about WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.